Hello, everyone, and welcome to the fourth episode of Beyond Boundaries. And I'm Swati Sharma, your mindset coach and your host for today. Today episode is again very important and informative. And I think आप लोग ने हमारा टाइटल देखा होगा. We are going to talk on a very important and crucial topic जो आज के लिए आई थिंक आज के डेट में बहुत कम ज्यादा बातें नहीं होती उसके ऊपर, लेकिन इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एंड वी थॉट कि हम लोग क्यों ना एक ऐसा सेशन करें जहां हम ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग के ऊपर बात करें. एंड वी ऑल नो कि ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग एक नेचुरल और बहुत ही एसेंशियल प्रैक्टिस है जो नवजात शिशु को बहुत ही सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी देती है जो उसको ग्रोथ और डेवलप में मदद करते हैं. और ये सिर्फ एक उसकी हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स के लिए नहीं होते हैं, बल्कि एक बहुत स्ट्रांग इम्यूनिटी भी उसको बनाने में हेल्प करता है और बहुत तरह के इन्फेक्शन से भी बचाता है. और इसके अलावा अगर ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग जो होता है वो जब एक प्योर तरीके से होता है तो मदर और बच्चे के बीच में भी एक डीप बॉन्ड बनाने में भी ये मदद करता है. सो बियॉन्ड न्यूट्रिशन ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग जो है वो कंट्रीब्यूट करता है एक इमोशनल वेलबींग ऑफ बोथ द बेबी और मदर के लिए. और इससे क्या है, एक सिक्योरिटी और एक कनेक्शन बनता है माँ और बच्चे के बीच में. सो एम्ब्रेसिंग ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग सपोर्ट्स lifelong health, setting the foundation for a healthier and happier future. और इसलिए इस इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट भी हैं. एंड वी आर ऑनर टू हैव डॉक्टर उमेश खुराना जो एक रेनाउंड पेडिट्रिशियन है, नेशनल ट्रेनर भी हैं फॉर ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग प्रमोशन नेटवर्क ऑफ इंडिया में. और डॉक्टर उमेश हैज एन इम्प्रेसिव करियर spanning over 4 decades with numerous awards and contributions to pediatric care. And as we commemorate, वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट फीडिंग वीक हमने जो अगस्त के फर्स्ट वीक में सेलिब्रेट किया था, आज का एपिसोड भी हम उसको डेडिकेट करते हैं सो दैट हम ये एक अवेयरनेस बता पाए कि हाउ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग फॉर बोथ मदर एंड चाइल्ड इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो मैं वेलकम करती हूँ अपने आज के एपिसोड में डॉक्टर उमेश को. सो डॉक्टर उमेश, वेलकम टू दी बियॉन्ड बाउंड्रीज शो.
Thank you very much, Swati ji. And we also welcome all the listeners, all the guests, and wish everyone a very happy Independence Day.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस टू एवरीवन. एंड डॉक्टर उमेश, आज का बहुत अच्छा दिन भी है और हम आज ये टॉपिक पे बात कर रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक जितने लोग भी हमें यहाँ पे सुन पा रहे हैं या बाद में भी देखेंगे, आई थिंक दे विल बी गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स ऑल्सो, राइट? सो हम लोग शुरू करते हैं. सो डॉक्टर उमेश, ये हम आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई. आप अपने प्रोफेशन के बारे में थोड़ा बताएंगे, लाइक व्हाट लेड यू टू स्पेशलाइज इन पेडियाट्रिक्स.
Okay. Well, in the state of Madhya Pradesh,
हाँ जी.
there is a Jabalpur, which
ओके.
is very famous for Bheda Ghat. And there I studied my graduation. I did my graduation. And because of my very high rank in university, I had option to join any specialty which I wanted.
ओके.
But I had great love for children right from my young days. So when I was asked by the dean to join the specialty, my option one was pediatrics, my option two was pediatrics, and my option three was pediatrics.
वाह.
So I mean to say that is you can say love for children, love for children.
ओके.
So over this last, you can say after completing my MD pediatrics there, I joined at the famous Bhilai Steel Plant Hospital. You know that Bhilai has got Asia's biggest steel plant, and there they have got a hospital also. So I joined that hospital, and in that hospital I served for more than 33 years.
33 years.
And during that period, I had a golden opportunity, Swati ji, to go to Sydney for specialized training in newborn care.
Wow.
And there, when I had gone there,
Hmm.
I had seen that these newborn, they need very, very specialized care, and their period of hospitalization in various neonatal intensive care units can be drastically reduced
Oh, okay.
if we offer them
Hmm.
expressed breast milk.
Wow.
So this is after returning from there
Acha.
and coming back to India. I developed neonatal intensive care unit in my hospital,
Okay.
and there also I observed. In fact, in certain situations, we had a better outcome than abroad
Hmm.
because we were focusing on expressed breast milk
Hmm.
given by the mother to the babies,
Okay.
focus on kangaroo mother care,
Hmm.
and we had a policy of giving no infant formula.
No.
So,
Okay.
because you see, Swati ji, that in India,
Mm-hmm.
we got a culture to breastfeed. Every
Yeah.
mother wants to breastfeed. It
Agree.
is only in the West that these new things have come up, the formula, etc. They have come up. India inherently has got all the mothers, they want to breastfeed.
Yeah.
But sometimes the issue is
Hmm.
that the mothers, they need support.
Yeah.
They need support of good doctors. They need support of nursing staff. They need support of their in-laws. They
Hmm.
need support of the husband. So my my clear objective
Hmm.
of today's interaction is to share my experience with all of you and to answer questions if you have any questions, so that you, the mothers, they enjoy the natural bliss. And as you have rightly mentioned, there are so many advantages of breast milk, and I may tell you again and again, perhaps I may repeat several times, that if the mothers, the parents, they want the baby to be developed as a super kid with high IQ, they should breastfeed. They should breastfeed.
या जैसे आपने बहुत सही कहा कि इंडिया में तो मतलब इट इज लाइक नेचुरल कि हर मदर चाहती है अपने बेबी को ब्रेस्ट फीड करना। वेस्टर्न साइड में इतना नहीं है कल्चर। बट आई थिंक आज अगर हम देखें तो हम बहुत ज्यादा अपने वेस्टर्न कल्चर से भी इम्पैक्ट हो रहे हैं। आज भी बहुत सारी मदर्स जो होती हैं वो उनको शायद पता नहीं होता, दे आर नॉट अवेयर कि कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ब्रेस्ट फीड करना। कहीं लग वो लोग भी चूज करते हैं कि क्यों करना है या जल्द इतना ज्यादा देर सार क्यों करना है, तो वो भी छोड़ देते हैं। I think Western side also it's getting too much impact on the Indian culture. But again, आप जैसे अगर लोग हैं जो अवेयरनेस फैला रहे हैं कि why it is important, कितना मतलब महत्वपूर्ण है ये, तो आई थिंक बहुत से लोग आज भी ये मैसेज पा सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं कि कितना फायदा होता है अगर हम बच्चे को नेचुरल मिल्क पिलाएं, ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग
Yes,
करें। सो बट
yes,
थैंक यू सो मच, आप ये इतना अच्छा खूबसूरत इनिशिएटिव लिए हैं अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने का। सो वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू।
yes.
सो डॉक्टर उमेश, हम आपसे ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि आपने जो बताया कि आप सिडनी गए, वहां पे आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा और फिर आपने इंडिया में आके भी बहुत सारे प्रचार किए और अपने अपने हॉस्पिटल में भी अपने क्लिनिक्स खोले जहाँ पे आपने ये सब चीजें अवेयर करी लोगों को। सो आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि मतलब ये जो आपका जो रोल है ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग प्रमोशन नेटवर्क ऑफ इंडिया का, उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा बताएं कि आप इसमें क्या करते हैं, आप मतलब क्या क्या एफर्ट्स लगता है, किस तरह का
Yes,
आप इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं।
okay. Swati, this is a very, very important thing that
हम्म।
you have mentioned.
हम्म।
Well, let me tell you
हाँ जी।
that way back in 1981, World Health Assembly
हम्म।
had declared a code, an international code
हम्म।
for marketing of formula food.
फॉर्मूला फूड। ओके।
170 countries of United Nations,
हम्म।
everyone had to follow this,
हम्म।
that the companies, the corporates who are making this formula,
Hmm.
They not advertise their infant formula. Earlier, what used to happen was there was immense advertisements through television, through
Hmm.
hoardings and everything.
Okay.
With the initiative of this powerful organization, Breastfeeding Promotion Network of India, in 1992, what happened was a act was passed by Parliament, and
Okay.
that is called as Infant Milk Substitutes Act.
Hmm.
That means by law, through Parliament, BPNI helped in passing this law that no company
Hmm.
can advertise
Okay.
any infant formula
Okay.
through various, you can say, magazines,
Hmm.
or sometimes giving gifts to doctors or nurses to hold some conferences, or giving some, you can say, handouts, because they have got a ulterior motive of,
Okay.
you can say, influencing the persons, the medical professionals, the nursing professionals, in a sort of way prescribing all
Hmm.
these things. So after this has happened, there has been, Swati, a terrible decrease, at least from the medical fraternity point of view, that
Okay.
doctors now, they do not prescribe
Hmm.
these infant formula. There is a decrease in the advertisements, but there is certain thing which is still existing.
Hmm.
That means through Amazon, through
Hmm.
online, these products are available,
अवेलेबल
and
सो
many.
आप मैं आपको यहाँ थोड़ा कट करना चाहूंगी डॉक्टर उमेश जो आप ये फॉर्मूला फूड बोल रहे हैं आप थोड़ा बताएंगे क्या है लाइक सेरेलेक जैसी चीजें हैं या कुछ और
Yes, yes, yes. I'll tell you. I'll
ओके
tell you. Now the formula is, let us have some important 3 or 4 companies
अच्छा
and their products which are freely available in the market. So
हम्म
there is a company Nestle.
हाँ
Now
जी
this Nestle company for
हम्म
small babies, they have marketing of Lactogen, they have
हम्म
marketing of Nan Pro,
या
they have marketing of Nestrogen.
हम्म
Then there is a company called as Abbott. They
एबल
have got marketing of, say, Similac.
हम्म
Similarly, we have got Danone company. They
ओके
have got marketing of, say, Dexolac.
ओके
Now they say, the corporates say that all over the world,
हम्म
mothers are giving infant formula. So Indian mothers, they can also give the infant formula. But they
हाँ
are not telling the disadvantages that those formula,
कैन
they
ब्रिंग
have got no immunity. They
हम्म
don't have any antibodies. They
यस
don't have any capacity to
हम्म
prevent against infections, allergies, etc.
हम्म
And when one, you can say, a bad habit starts,
हम्म
it leads to another bad habit. That means those formulas are not to be, they mothers, they give it with the help of bottle.
हाँ
So
जी
bottle feeding starts. So when bottle feeding starts, the baby may get diarrhea. With
हम्म
bottle feeding, there is no emotional contact
करेक्ट
between
इट्स अ
mother and the baby.
पासिंग या
So there is no emotional bonding.
इमोशनल यस
So they, corporates, they are interested in business.
करेक्ट
The outcome to the baby,
हम्म
that is the responsibility of the parents.
करेक्ट
So BPNI also has introduced, Swati, a very powerful mobile app,
ओह
and this
ओके
mobile app is called as I Decide.
आई
In
डिसाइड
this
ओके
I Decide mobile app, any pregnant lady can download this mobile, can see very, very short, interesting videos on, say, benefits of breastfeeding, early initiation of breastfeeding, expression of breast milk, positioning, attachment, all these common things. She can see the videos in mobile, and
वाओ
then she
हम्म
can download a
ओके
certificate that I decide that I will only breastfeed my baby.
आई थिंक
So
दैट्स अमेजिंग थिंग आपने जो बताया. सो
yes,
ये
yes,
ऐप जो है वो फ्री है या कैसे?
yes, 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 you can download in Play Store. It
ओके.
is. I mean to say, because ultimately, mothers has a human right to
हम्म.
breastfeed. The baby has a human right to feed, get the mother's milk.
या.
So, बीच में these corporates, I mean to
हम्म.
say, but there's no role of corporates. The mothers जो हैं, the mothers, and I am, just to inform you,
हम्म.
I am a certified national trainer from
हम्म.
BPM,
ओके.
and I help in three elements which are recommended by WHO.
हम्म.
That is, one is promotion of breastfeeding. That means mothers should breastfeed. Then the second thing is protection of breastfeeding from
हम्म.
all these corporates. And that support, which is very, very important, Swati,
हम्म.
because every mother
या.
during motherhood period, they need support of husband,
अग्री.
family members,
या.
doctors, and
हम्म.
everything. And also,
हम्म.
I'm also available.
हम्म.
Whenever anyone has got any question, anything, I'm freely available to offer support to all the mothers. That
वाओ,
will be a
दैट्स
pleasure.
ग्रेट.
That will be a pleasure.
या, दैट्स अमेजिंग. सो जो भी यस अभी हमारा एपिसोड देख रहे हैं और बाद में देखेंगे, हम उस ऐप का लिंक अपने एपिसोड के एंड में डाल देंगे, सो दैट अगर किसी को भी वो ऐप देखना है, दे कैन क्लिक दैट लिंक एंड दे कैन डाउनलोड. और जैसे कि डॉक्टर उमेश ने बताया कि उसमें बहुत सारी वीडियोस हैं जो मदर्स देख सकती हैं और अपने आप को अवेयर कर सकती हैं कि ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग क्या है, क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसके करने से क्या फायदे हैं. तो आई थिंक वो ऐप में वो सब वीडियोस उपलब्ध हैं और उसके बाद उनको एक सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल जाएगा. राइट डॉक्टर खुराना?
Certificate they can download in
सेकंड
the
नाउ. ओके.
they will download in the mobile itself,
इन द
and
मोबाइल.
then they can email that certificate
हम्म.
to the hospital
हम्म.
where the mother intends
ओके.
that मेरी डिलीवरी यहाँ होनी चाहिए. So
ओह,
the
अच्छा. तो
hospital
पहले भी देख सकते हैं और पहले डाउनलोड कर
so
सकते हैं.
the doctors in advance
ओके.
before she undergoes cesarean section or
हम्म.
before goes to labor, the doctors are well aware that look, this is a lady who has already decided to
डिसाइडेड.
breastfeed, and
हाँ.
the hospital should support in her decision. So that is
ओके.
very, very simple. It's
सो
very,
मुझे
very
मुझे
simple,
इसमें एक
nothing
सवाल है
complex.
डॉक्टर. अगर मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर आज के डेट में कई लोगों को जैसे वुमेन्स को नहीं पता होता है कि ऐसा कुछ ऐप भी है या वो चूज कर सकते हैं कि मैं ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग ही करना चाहती हूँ, तो अगर ये डॉक्टर्स को नहीं पता जहां पे वो डिलीवरी के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो ऐसे केसेस हो सकते हैं कि जहां पे मदर चाहकर भी फिर ब्रेस्ट फीड नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज उन्होंने पहले इंटीमेट नहीं किया. थोड़ा आप बताएंगे इसके ऊपर?
Yes, yes. क्योंकि yes, yes, because what is happening is when you can just imagine that
हम्म.
when a mother goes to the hospital,
हम्म.
in the initial phase,
हम्म.
she must be having some doubts,
या.
she must be
करेक्ट.
having some anxiety.
हम्म.
So, for the initial couple of days, the amount of milk that she is producing
हम्म.
may be less. She
ओके.
might have undergone cesarean section or etc.
हम्म.
But one has to explain that even during that period, whatever, say 2 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml, whatever milk that she is producing, that
हम्म.
is sufficient for the baby.
ओके.
What happens generally in the hospital is
हम्म.
that there is a, you can say, a over anxiety of the nurses etc.
ओके.
and doctors etc. So
हम्म.
they hurriedly
हम्म.
they put in they prescribe lactogen.
हाँ.
While
ओके.
in the hospital के okay दूध नहीं आ रहा, so she is not getting milk, so there has to be some patience,
करेक्ट.
and one has to motivate the mother, one
हम्म.
has to motivate, because there are many other things, Swati.
हम्म.
The mother has to be taught how to position the baby. The
करेक्ट.
baby should be straight, the
हम्म.
head, the neck, the body should be straight. There is a clear technique and a skill how to hold the baby so that there is a you can say closeness between the baby's mouth and the mother's breast, so that they are close to each other. There is a very good attachment. So
Hmm.
all these things have to be learned by the mother.
Learned by
After
the.
all,
Hmm.
she has to be given training. So there are some videos for
Hmm.
training, but videos have their own limitations. The
Correct.
nurses can give them training.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
husband, there is now a system coming up very, very fast of leaves. That
Leaves.
means,
Hmm.
Swati, this has to be very well understood. A very
Hmm.
important thing which I want to convey is
हाँ जी.
that in 2017,
Mm-hmm.
Government of India passed a Maternity Benefit Act. So there is a
Okay.
law.
Okay.
Under this law, 6 months leave is given to every
Hmm.
mother with pay. So whatever, whether it is a government sector, whether it's a private
Private.
sector,
Okay.
the mother is entitled to get
Hmm.
6 months paid leave for breastfeeding. And now they are also coming with a provision.
Hmm.
There is what that the husband should also take minimum
Hmm.
1 week leave,
Yes. Yes.
so that he offers support. So
Paternity leave we say.
when
Yeah.
there is a support of the government, there is
Hmm.
a support of the hospital, there is a support of husband, there is support of family, and there is also support from the technical side, that is support from the experts. Say
Yeah.
myself, I want to give support through knowledge. I
Hmm.
want to give support through skills. If suppose there is any gap in some knowledge or anything,
Hmm.
I'm I'm ready to explain to you. I'm ready to share more videos to you. I'm ready to help you. You take help. You take help
Yeah.
from experts. You take help from. And exactly, Swati, this was the theme of WABA. WABA means
Mm-hmm.
World Association for Breastfeeding Action. WABA.
Okay. Okay.
During World Breastfeeding Week, the theme was closing the gap.
Hmm.
Breastfeeding support for all. So that means every mother needs a breastfeeding support.
Yeah.
And there is a gap. It has been found, Swati, that there was around more than 95% deliveries are taking place in hospital.
हाँ जी.
Only 42% are starting breastfeeding
Hmm.
within first hour of birth. It is a WHO recommendation
Okay.
that breastfeeding should be started within 60 minutes,
Oh.
within
Okay.
the first hour, which is called
Okay.
as the golden first hour. So
Golden
the
first.
initiation of breastfeeding in
Mm-hmm.
the hospital is getting delayed. And
Hmm.
because the initiation is delayed and there is a intervening, you can say, introduction
Hmm.
of formula, once the formula gets started, then there is a real problem. The baby is deprived of the numerous advantages of breast milk and breastfeeding.
Okay.
I would like to mention, you had in your introduction,
Hmm.
you had mentioned about the many advantages of
हाँ जी.
breastfeeding for the baby.
हाँ जी.
But let me tell you three or four very powerful advantages for the mother.
हाँ जी, तो मैं नेक्स्ट वो भी पूछने वाली थी कि बच्चे के लिए तो हम बहुत सारी बेनिफिट्स बता रहे हैं कि उसका इम्यूनिटी बनता है, वो फाइट कर पाता है, बट मदर्स के लिए क्या बेनिफिट रहेंगे कि अगर वो ब्रेस्ट फीड
मदर
करते
के
हैं तो
लिए
उनके लिए
तो
क्या है? हाँ.
मदर के लिए आप मैं 5 बेनिफिट्स आपको बताऊंगा which
वाह.
every mother should remember.
हम्म.
Number one is this: when breastfeeding starts,
हाँ जी.
the mother releases a hormone which is called as oxytocin.
ऑक्सीटोसिन.
This
ओके.
hormone
हम्म.
helps in ejection of breast milk from the breast to the baby's mouth. But this oxytocin also acts on the mother's uterus
ओह. ओके.
and it it decreases the size of uterus
हम्म
to pre-pregnancy level. तो
ओह
वो यूट्रस जो बड़ा हो गया था ड्यू टू दैट
डिलीवरी
9
या
months pregnancy,
हम्म हम्म
that decreases in size and becomes a very small intrapelvic organ, so that mother is now fit to
हम्म
wear jeans, wear tops. She
हम्म
gains a pre-pregnancy weight and
ओके
pre-pregnancy body contours, body image. This is very, very important. This is very, very.
या अग्री
This is the natural gift of nature to the
नेचर
mother, oxytocin.
ऑक्सीटोसिन
Oxytocin is called as happiness hormone.
वाओ हैप्पीनेस
So
हार्मोन
this is the gift of nature, God, to the mothers. Number two, if the mother breastfeeds today, then she will unlikely to get breast cancer
ओह
and ovarian cancer in the future.
ओके
Let me tell you all the audience that breast cancer is the commonest cancer
हम्म
among the ladies.
यस एंड बहुत हो भी रहा है आज
So
बहुत
if she breastfeeds today,
हम्म
the chances of development of breastfeeding cancer are remarkably decreased.
वाओ दैट्स वेरी
Thirdly,
इन्फॉर्मेटिव थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग
there is a decrease in the incidence of ovarian cancer
ओके
also in the mother. Fourthly, what happens is many a times after COVID, it is seen that the mothers during pregnancy and after that, they have some anxieties. They sometimes go into depression,
हाँ जी या
something called as baby blues. So what happens is breastfeeding increases happiness and decreases the stress. So the chances of development of postpartum depression
हम्म
are remarkably decreased with the help of breastfeeding. This is advantage to the mother,
वाओ
and you can understand
हम्म
what a great advantage that mothers do not have to have any gas, any fuel,
हम्म
any bottle, any water.
या
Nothing is required to prepare the bottle feed. So it is a natural thing which is available anywhere, anytime. It is ready 24 by 7, 365 days. Anywhere she can breastfeed. Anywhere she can breastfeed. So
या
these are many advantages for the mother.
वाओ थैंक यू सो
And
मच फॉर
then
शेयरिंग
it reflects
या
advantage to the family and society.
हम्म
Because when the baby is well fed, husband has not to buy those infant food.
ओह या
So
अग्री
that economy is saved. You save that money. You save that
यस
money.
अग्री
Whatever expense is there in buying those infant foods, bottles, etc., you save that money.
हाँ जी
You can invest that money in buying children's clothes,
हम्म
in buying some toys for the baby, in something which is constructive for the baby
हम्म
rather than these infant foods. Also, breastfeeding is eco-friendly. You don't have to take care of whatever the packets, the tin, etc. It
वो
has
सब
to be
लेना नहीं
disposed
पड़ेगा
of.
अगर ब्रेस्ट
It
फीड
has to be
करवा रहे
disposed of.
हाँ
So it
जी
is eco-friendly. It is eco-friendly.
absolutely amazing so
There are
many
so
benefits
many.
of having a breastfeeding yeah and
Yes,
awareness
yes,
about it yeah
yes,
so
yes.
डॉक्टर खुराना आपने ये बहुत अच्छी 5 बेनिफिट्स जो आपने बताए उसके अलावा जो आपने ये अंडर ये प्रोसेस फूड्स के बारे में भी बताया है सेव मनी भी होता है एक चीज और जो जो न्यू मदर्स होती हैं वो फेस करती हैं उसके बारे में हम थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे कि जहाँ पे उनको थोड़ा चैलेंज आता है न्यू मदर्स को ब्रेस्ट फीड करने में तो कुछ आप कॉमन इश्यूज बता सकते हैं जो मदर्स मेनली फेस करती हो और वो कैसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं इसको
हाँ 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 जी 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 सबसे कॉमन एक जो 2-3 चैलेंज आते हैं सबसे कॉमन चैलेंज तो ये होता है इज initiation of breastfeeding
Okay.
and a perception. She has a perception कि मेरे को milk नहीं आ, ये perception है. Actually उसको milk आ रहा होता है, but then she has to have that confidence and faith that whatever little milk that she is getting, that is liquid gold. It is gold. It is having high fat content, and only few ml of that is sufficient. She has to have a bit of a patience for 2 to 3 days,
Okay.
and should have patience. थोड़ा धीरज रखना, थोड़ा धीरज रखना है. जल्दी से डब्बे को स्टार्ट नहीं करना है,
नहीं करना है.
और ये परसेप्शन नहीं रखना है कि मेरे को दूध नहीं आ रहा है या what I'm not getting milk. So that perception may be wrong. That perception may be totally wrong. Okay, right? Because if the baby is passing around urine, say 6 times a day, if the baby's weight is constant, in that situation, everything is fine. Everything is fine. She should, and she should understand that the more she is relaxed. I also say to the mothers when I go to my wards,
that
nature has made one very, very unique arrangement. That nature either produces tears or it produces breast milk. So, if you want more breast milk, you should stop weeping. रोना बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay, लेकिन वो नेचुरल आ जाता है.
क्योंकि यदि आप रोने से दूध नहीं आता, दूध और बंद हो जाएगा. Okay, तो आपको सबसे पहले रोना नहीं है. This you don't have to cry.
Okay.
You don't have to cry. You have to be happy. You are now a mother. With you, you are starting a journey of motherhood. You should be happy.
You should be happy, yeah.
Then you give a signal to your mind. Positive attitude and mindset.
Yes.
You are Swati, you are a mind coach.
Yes.
You will understand if you decide and you give a positive signal to the mind.
Yes.
You can see that we have got affirmations.
Yes.
In mind coach, you have got affirmations.
Yeah.
So suppose she just sits down, takes a deep breath, and says, "Thank you, God. I am starting my motherhood. Thank you, God. I have a baby with me. I am very, very happy. God, you have given me the baby. Now I want milk. Now I want milk." Okay. So what will happen is, when there will be a signal to the mind, and this signal can start right from pregnancy, that I want to breastfeed. I want to breastfeed. The mind should be strong. That I will not give any other feed. Motivation that I will just breastfeed. With this, what will happen? The milk supply will increase. The milk supply will increase. So the biggest challenge, what they say, then there are several other, you can say, challenges, in the sense that, as we mentioned, that there is a lure. That means dabba de de. Some close friend will say, you see that I had given my baby this bottle feed. Why don't you give?
Yeah.
No. That is your decision. It's perfectly all right.
It's my
baby.
Yeah.
This is my baby. This is my child, and this is my decision. This is my decision. So you have to stick to your decision.
Yeah.
Then there is also one misconception, a myth, sometimes related to breast size.
Okay.
I mean to say, ladies have, by the gift of God, by gift of nature, the breast size vary. Sometimes there is a small size, sometimes there is a large size. The size of the breast depends upon the fat content in the breast.
Okay.
If suppose the breast size is big, there is more fat. If the breast size is small, there is less fat. But the lactiferous glands, which produce the milk,
yeah,
there are 1 million cells in each breast. So God is very kind that the number of cells which produce the milk, they are in plenty. They are millions.
Yeah.
So you have to bother, be confident that even if suppose there
Yeah.
is a plus minus some difference in size, it doesn't matter. What is important is that nature also has given some milestones for mothers to remember.
Yes.
That there is a breast, and also there is a ring of a dark color. It may be pink, it may be dark pink, it may be blackish. That dark ring is called as areola.
Okay.
And then there is a nipple. So whenever the breastfeeding is done, both the nipple as well as the areola, the maximum portion of that should be in the baby's mouth.
Okay.
So
Wow.
that is what it is. Okay. So there are 4 signs of attachment.
Attachments.
But I
Okay.
think every mother has to follow these 4 signs of attachment.
Okay.
Number 1,
Hmm.
the chin of the baby
Hmm.
should touch the breast.
Okay.
During positioning,
Hmm.
the chin of the baby should touch the breast. This is number 1.
Okay.
Number 2, the baby's mouth should be widely open
Okay.
because it has to accommodate that ring. So
That
it
ring.
should be widely open. This is point number 2. Point number 3 is that the lower lip should be everted. थोड़ा वो बाहर की ओर.
तो वो आप
Okay.
खुद हाथ से कर सकते हैं अगर नेचुरल नहीं हो रहा है.
वो कर लेते है ना, the low. And when the baby is attached, the areola का जो lower ring है, the ring, the lower portion, the 4th sign is that the lower portion of areola should not be seen.
Okay.
It is within the mouth, no? It cannot be seen.
It can be seen. Yeah. Can.
Okay. So if mother takes care of these 4 signs of attachment, breastfeeding, okay, she takes care of her mind.
Yeah.
That I want to breastfeed only. And she also thinks she's open. That if she wants any consultation with an expert, she should get a proper advice. So she should contact. She should have in her diary the email number, the mobile number of some experts. There are some, so she can join some WhatsApp groups, and there are various mother support groups also. So if they want, and I can also help them. There is no issue. There is no issue, son.
So thank you so much for sharing. और आपकी बातें सुनकर मुझे मेरी बहुत सारी फ्रेंड्स और बहुत सारे जो लोगों को मैं सुनती हूँ, मतलब आई हैव सीन कि कई लोगों को सच में नहीं पता होता. और जैसा आजकल का कल्चर हो चुका है, वर्किंग मदर्स भी होती हैं, तो वो सिर्फ अपने हस्बैंड के साथ होती हैं. कई लोग अपने शहर छोड़कर बिग सिटीज में जॉब के लिए जाते हैं, और वहां पे जब वो मदर बनती हैं तो उनके पास कोई इमीडिएट सपोर्ट बोल दो या ऐसे गाइड करने वाला, या मतलब दे आर नॉट लिविंग इन ज्वाइंट फैमिली या बड़े बुजुर्ग के साथ नहीं है, तो कई बार उनको मालूम ही नहीं होता ये सब बातों का जो आप बता रहे हो. एंड आई थिंक उन मदर्स के लिए मैं बोलूंगी जो भी इस प्रोसेस में है, मदर बनने के, न्यू मदर बन रहे हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम मदर, जो आई डिसाइड ऐप आपने बोली है, आई थिंक उसमें ये सारी वीडियो जरूर कवर होंगी, इन्फॉर्मेशन होगी. तो आई थिंक दैट विल रियली हेल्प. सो मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है सारी न्यू वुमन को, और जो भी न्यू वुमन मदर्स बनने वाली उन सबके लिए, कि जरूर ये आई डिसाइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें, ये वीडियोस देखें. और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आई थिंक कि आप एक ट्रेनिंग भी ले. आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा, इट्स अ माइंडसेट थिंग ऑल्सो, लेकिन कई बार हमें मालूम ही नहीं होता है डॉक्टर. सो क्या होता है कि हम डर जाते हैं, या जैसे आपने बोला, फ्रेंड ने बोला कि अरे मैंने शुरू किया था, तू भी शुरू कर दे, तो हमें लगता है कि हाँ यार फ्रेंड है, एक्सपीरियंस है, एक बेबी है इसका, तो आई डोंट टू हियर माय फ्रेंड का एडवाइस, बट द फ्रेंड इज नॉट अ डॉक्टर. सो आइडली हमें सही पर्सन की बात सुननी चाहिए. या
इसमें एक चीज और भी जो है डेंजरस है,
हाँ,
जो मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन है,
हाँ जी,
that we have now got sort of a, with every mobile one can Google everything.
Google everything.
And we have got a WhatsApp university The
Okay.
big issues may just what has happened is
Hmm.
that when you Google everything, you
Hmm.
get information within fraction of second of so much information
Yeah.
that you are loaded with information. You are loaded
Agree.
with information.
बहुत सारी information
But
है sir.
but
Correct.
there are actually जैसे कि सबके किचन में there is a mixie.
Yeah.
So one has to get the makhan out of it.
Hmm.
So you have to be choosy.
Hmm.
You have to find the real expert
Expert.
who
Correct.
will guide you properly. Who will guide you properly. Sometimes there is so lots of information which is available, which
Hmm.
is easily accessible, right? So you have to be very, very careful
Careful. Yeah.
in deciding
Hmm.
that you get your consultation. And
Hmm.
another advantage will be, Swati, I will like to mention.
हाँ जी.
Sometimes when mothers don't give proper these four signs of attachment,
Hmm.
there is a risk of another four problems she can have.
Oh. Okay.
If suppose there is no attachment, proper
Hmm.
attachment, she can develop sore nipple. The
Hmm.
nipple can become red.
Oh. Okay.
One problem she can have.
Hmm.
The baby suppose sucks only from the nipple.
Hmm.
The mother can develop a nipple fissure. There can be ulcer in the nipple because of a wrong attachment.
Wrong
Because
attachment.
of a wrong attachment.
Hmm.
Because of that, sometimes she develops engorgement of breast
Hmm.
because she's not holding the baby properly. There
Properly.
is
She don't
improper
know कि कैसे
attachment.
पकड़ना है. She is not aware. तो ये चीजें हो
And
सकती
sometimes she develops breast abscess.
हैं. Hmm.
So the milk is there, it is not
Yeah.
getting drained off.
Yeah.
That and then it becomes a really a very, very important problem. All
Yeah.
mothers
Hmm.
should understand that during the first 3 to 4 days, the mothers they secrete gold, which is called as liquid gold,
Liquid gold.
called
Yeah.
as colostrum.
Hmm.
And this colostrum is the free vaccine for the baby.
Wow.
It is vaccine because it is having antibodies, it is
Hmm.
having immunoglobulins to prevent against infections.
Hmm.
It is sort of a that's why it is rich in vitamin A. It
Hmm.
prevents against blindness. That colostrum it helps in clearance of black motion, which the baby has initially. It is acts as a purgative,
Yeah.
and it is available free. You don't have to give any
Don't
price.
know.
So it's a free vaccine. It is the
Yeah.
first free vaccine. To give the first free vaccine, why give formula?
Correct.
Why give formula?
Wow. Thank you so much for sharing so wonderful tips. I would say so many benefits you have shared, और आई थिंक जो लोग भी देख रहे हैं सुन रहे हैं उनको बहुत फायदा होने वाला है. तो थैंक यू सो मच. तो अब डॉक्टर खुराना आई थिंक थोड़ा सा हम आपके बारे में भी जानना चाहेंगे. तो मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे रैपिड क्वेश्चंस हैं. सो उसका आंसर आपको लेकिन एकदम इंस्टेंट देना होगा, सोचना नहीं है. सो आर यू रेडी फॉर दैट?
Yes, yes, no issues, no issues.
So don't worry, I will not ask too difficult questions. It's just we will just have want to have little bit fun also, or so that हमारे audience आपको जान भी पाए कि डॉक्टर खुराना क्या सोचते हैं, वो कैसे अपनी लाइफ को जीते हैं. So just related to that. So पहला क्वेश्चन मेरे पास आपके लिए है कि आपका फेवरेट बुक पीडियाट्रिक पे कौन सा है इस केयर के लिए?
देखिए ऐसा है, मैं पीडियाट्रिक बुक हम लोग की तो कोर्सेज रहती है वो नहीं बताऊंगा, पर मेरी फेवरेट जो बुक है
हाँ जी.
वो बुक है द मैजिक ऑफ थिंकिंग बिग.
The Magic of Thinking Big.
द
Okay.
मैजिक ऑफ थिंकिंग बिग. द ऑथर इज डेविड श्वार्ट्ज.
Okay.
And this book costs around, it's a bestseller.
Wow. Okay.
6 million copies have been sold all over the world.
Mm-hmm.
And the cost is just 200 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. I have read this book
Mm-hmm.
more than 200 times
Oh wow.
because that is a book on positive attitude.
Positive attitude.
Then there is another book which
Okay.
I love, is the power of unconscious mind.
Actually, yes, true.
So
Sure.
I'm to say, because technical things, what I'm trying to say is
Hmm.
the it is important to manage the mind.
Yes.
Everyone
Yeah.
should think positively, and the subconscious mind should be charged and inspired.
Hmm.
It will not only help in breastfeeding, but this will help in throughout life process, throughout
Agree.
life.
यस यस सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड हम लोग ये बुक्स के लिंक जरूर अपने एपिसोड में भी शेयर कर देंगे सो दैट अगर किसी को ये बुक लेना है सो यू कैन इजीली चेक दैट लिंक सो अनदर क्वेश्चन जो है डॉक्टर आपके लिए कि एक वन पीस एडवाइस न्यू मदर्स के लिए
न्यू मदर्स के लिए एडवाइस यही है कि डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस.
या ओके
I mean to say, and ask questions from experts.
ओके
To say, you should be. I'm telling you very very clearly. I'm a doctor, but suppose in my family someone gets some problem, heart ka problem, kidney ka problem. The
या
first thing which I do is I find out the best expert available with me.
ओके
I find out that person. I do not waste time in hopping. पहले इसको दिखा दो, उसको then do.
या
Find the expert. Find the expert. You will get the expert, and then freely you can have one-to-one conversation as we are having.
यस
Talk, talk, talk. Please talk.
प्लीज
Talk
स्टॉप
and
या
ask questions, and you will get the answers. You will get the answers.
Wow.
Sometimes you may have to very very diplomatically
या
disregard the advice given by. This is a very ticklish issue.
ओके
But very very diplomatically you have to disregard the advice which is given by the family members. That advice may be they are giving in right earnest, they
या
are true, but then that advice may be wrong.
because they are not the doctors yeah
Okay,
yeah
वो आपके आपके हितैषी हैं, they want to help you,
हेल्प यू और
but
वो
then
अपने
they are not
एक्सपीरियंस से
professionals.
बता रहे हैं और मे बी आपका अलग हो सकता है जो डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करे आई थिंक यू शुड गो विद दैट राइट
And एक चीज और है, in this scenario of, you can say, lactation consultant, this is called as lactation consultant or nutrition. Let me tell you, you have got specialists in the heart, you have got specialists for the brain, you have got specialists for the kidney. In this issue, we are specialists. So we
Yeah.
talk this.
about only this yeah
I mean to say, I do not sort of talk of 10 things. My specialization is only this.
only this great
And therefore, I will talk only about this topic or related topic, what to feed after 6 months,
okay
how to feed at a 1 year child, how to feed a teenager, how to prevent junk food, everything related to nutrition, or what to do with the proper immunization of the child with the singular goal that the child should become a super kid.
okay wow
Child should become a super kid. So one has to be, my attitude is preventive attitude.
okay
My objective is that if you follow certain things meticulously, perhaps perhaps you may not go to any doctor throughout your lifetime.
okay wow thank you
If you follow the complete good positive lifestyle,
yeah
so then I mean to say, a majority of diseases can be prevented.
ग्रेट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग एंड अभी हमारे पास डॉक्टर कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो हमारी ऑडियंस ने भी पूछे हैं सो मैं अभी पहला एक क्वेश्चन आपके साथ रीड करती हूँ जो हमारे एक ऑडियंस ने पूछा है वो जानना चाहते हैं कि ये कोलोस्ट्रम कुछ होता है तो व्हाट इज दैट और उसकी
Okay.
यूनिक क्वालिटीज क्या होती हैं कोलोस्ट्रम की?
मेरा एक सजेशन ये है, जिनने भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है, सबसे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू क्लैप फॉर दैट इंडिविजुअल, and I will like to give some trophy, online trophy award to anyone who has asked this question. This is a very, very brilliant question, first of all.
Okay.
Okay. So let me tell you.
जी.
The spelling of colostrum is colostrum. It is called as the liquid gold. It is the first vaccine. Any vaccine, it contains protective components of immunity. It is rich in antibodies. It is rich in macrophages. That is the killer cells. These cells, it is said that 1 ml of cholesterol contains 1 million these macrophages. It is so powerful. It is so powerful. It is also a purgative. So it helps in clearance of meconium after birth, which is the blackish stool. It is rich in vitamin A, D, E, and K. So it prevents against blindness. Colostrum also helps in development of intestines. Growth of the intestine. That's, you can say, a powerful growth stimulant for the intestine. This is secreted in the initial 3 to 5 days of the birth, and therefore colostrum should be given. Sometimes in the villages there was a myth earlier, now it is getting finished off. Achha. That many a times the mother-in-laws, etc., they thought that this is because it is yellow, it is dirty, and therefore they used to throw off the colostrum. Okay. So that myth is very, very dangerous. This colostrum is the first free vaccine for the baby. Wow. And it's totally free and we don't know. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing this information. Thank you so much. So another question जो पूछा है हमारे ऑडियंस में, उन्होंने पूछा है कि बहुत सारे मार्केट्स में इन्फेंट फूड्स अवेलेबल होते हैं, सो उसके मतलब साइड इफेक्ट क्या हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि कभी कभी मदर अवेलेबल नहीं होती है बच्चे को दूध देने के लिए, तो उस ऑप्शन में हमारे पास यही मार्केट फूड्स अवेलेबल होते हैं. सो व्हाट आर दी साइड इफेक्ट्स एंड व्हाट वी शुड डू? ओके, सो द mother's milk is best. Yeah. So what we say is there are two types of milk. Mom-made and man-made. Okay. Mom-made is mother's milk. Man-made are the various commercial formulas. Okay. In the initial phase, there are various powders. These powders are of the various, they will have a product for the initial 6 months, then 6 months to 1 year, then 1 month. All these powders, they are free, they are available in the market. Okay. Since in the initial 6 months, now there is Maternity Benefit Act also available. No mother should give all these formula for the initial 6 months. Okay. Because the WHO regime is that you have to give exclusive breastfeeding for the initial 6 months. Okay. After the baby is 6 months old, the breastfeeding should be continued. But then, depending upon the development of teeth, additional things have to be added upon. Okay. So you initially add those things which are thick, energy rich, and which has to be just swallowed. Okay. For example, suppose initially as the baby is fed, example with curd, just to be swallowed, that's all. Or the baby is given, say, some mashed banana, it works. If suppose there is an apple, You cook that apple in the sort of a microwave or whatever it is. You
Boil
mash
कर,
it and
yeah.
you give some apple, or
Hmm.
you give some halwa, or
Hmm.
you give some idli.
Hmm.
All this have to be just swallowed.
Swallowed. Okay.
Teeth are not needed. This
अच्छा.
is 6 months. You
Okay.
give custard, you give ice cream. I'm
Hmm.
not just telling you.
Hmm. Wow.
When the baby is around 8 months old,
Hmm.
some teeth get developed.
Yes. Hmm.
So this is the time when you can start with khichdi.
अच्छा. Okay. जब दांत आ जाए.
So,
Okay. Hmm.
so khichdi means now there will be khichdi. That means two आ गए इसमें, चावल भी आ गया, दाल भी आ
Yes.
गया,
दाल भी आ गई.
है
हाँ
ना,
जी.
और दही भी आप उसमें डाल सकते हैं, ठीक है ना।
Correct. Correct.
तो
हाँ जी.
तो ये 8 मंथ्स का बच्चा जो है वो ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं।
उसके
ओके,
साथ दे
बीच
सकते
बीच
हैं.
में बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा उसका 2 बार थोड़ा सा खिचड़ी भी उसको दे दिया हमने।
Okay.
याद रखिए, मैं बार बार बताऊंगा, हमने अभी तक सेरेलैक स्टार्ट नहीं किया,
नहीं किया है.
हमको सेरेलैक देना ही नहीं।
नहीं देना है. Okay.
उसके बाद बच्चा मान लीजिए कि
हम्म.
करीब 10 महीने का हो,
हम्म.
तो अब हम उस खिचड़ी को हमने क्वांटिटी बढ़ा देंगे,
हम्म.
उसके अंदर हम मैश्ड वेजिटेबल्स डाल देते हैं।
ओके. मतलब
जरा
स्लोली
जरा
स्लोली
सा,
तो हम सब्जी दें, थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
दाल
मतलब
दें,
जैसे कि आपने कुछ कैरेट है,
कैरेट डाल
ग्रीन
दी.
लीफी
ओके.
वेजिटेबल्स हैं, मतलब द खिचड़ी की कंटेंट अब थोड़ी-सी बढ़ रही है,
बढ़
मतलब
रही.
वेजिटेबल्स,
या.
वो सॉफ्ट जो उसके बच्चे के दाँत हैं, अब उस
हम्म.
वेजिटेबल को वो काटेगा।
हाँ.
अब
यस.
उसके थोड़े दाँत आ गए ना,
हाँ जी.
तो अब वो थोड़े-थोड़े वेजिटेबल के रेशे को बच्चा काटेगा।
हम्म.
मान लीजिए आपने भिंडी या कुछ भी, मैं एग्ज़ाम्पल बता रहा हूँ।
जी जी.
बच्चा व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज़ 1 ईयर ओल्ड,
हम्म.
व्हाटएवर यू आर ईटिंग द चाइल्ड विल ईट।
हम्म.
Whatever you are eating, the child will eat,
हाँ.
except for the fact the quantity will be different.
हम्म.
The quantity will be different,
And
but the child will now eat by the first birthday. अब वो
हम्म.
बच्चा जो है वो वो उसको खाएगा, उसको बच्चे को वो खिलाइए, ठीक
हम्म.
ठीक है ना। ओके, धीरे धीरे करके आप देखेंगे साल 1.5 साल में
हम्म.
बच्चा सब कुछ खा रहा है,
हम्म.
एक्सेप्ट फॉर द फैक्ट
हम्म.
कि बच्चे के लिए आप जो बना रहे हैं वैसा खुद भी खाइए। Why
हम्म.
put more मसाला?
हम्म.
मिर्च मसाला ज्यादा क्यों डालना भाई?
क्यों डालना है मतलब छोटे बच्चे के लिए क्यों करना है, वो उसको
नहीं,
नॉर्मल
मिर्च
दे
मसाला
दीजिए.
बड़े को भी क्यों खाना?
ओके. हम्म.
मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता। अब पूरे इस पूरी स्टोरी में
हम्म.
कहीं भी सेरेलैक, नेस्टम कुछ भी नहीं,
कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं.
मतलब घर का बना हुआ खाना
खाना
ही
दे
देंगे।
सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो
बच्चों को
मच फॉर
फ्रूट्स दे
शेयरिंग दिस
सकते हैं।
इन्फॉर्मेशन. या क्योंकि नहीं तो लोगों के दिमाग में यही आता है कि अगर घर में नहीं बना सकते तो बाहर से ले आओ, बट हमें जितनी कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि बाहर का खाना हम बच्चे को ना दें जब तक सच में आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं बचा हो. आई वुड से, राइट.
इसमें स्वाति जी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है जो कि लोगों को पता नहीं,
हाँ जी.
वो ये है कि हमारा जो टंग है, बच्चे का टंग जो है,
हाँ जी.
बचपन में हम जो भी खिलाते हैं उसको वो जिंदगी भर याद रखता है। मतलब टंग में रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं
हाँ जी, वो स्वाद वो याद
जो
रखना है.
बचपन में बच्चा याद रखता है।
याद रखना
आप
है.
बच्चे को शुरू में ज्यादा शक्कर खिलाना करेंगे, मान लीजिए इसलिए
हम्म.
शक्कर हम लोग नहीं देते हैं, तो बच्चे को स्वीट चीजें अच्छी लगने लगेंगी आगे जाके,
हम्म.
तो वो ज्यादा शक्कर खाएगा तो उसको डेंटल कैरीज हो जाएगी, डायबिटीज हो जाएगी।
अग्री.
बच्चे को यदि आप ज्यादा नमक और मसाला देंगे,
हम्म.
आगे जाके वो बहुत मसाला खाएगा, ये सब करेगा, सब कुछ करेगा, है ना। तो हम जो है काहे कि क्यों, व्हाई आर वी लैंडिंग इनटू प्रॉब्लम?
टेस्ट
तो
बड्स आई थिंक माँ बाप के होते हैं और वो बच्चों में भी डालते थे.
यहीं पर आप ट्रिक समझे
हम्म.
स्वाति जी कि हम्बली,
हम्म.
पोलाइटली,
हाँ जी.
नम्रता से
हम्म.
माँ बाप को अपना मीनू भी चेंज कर,
चेंज करना चाहिए. करेक्ट.
मतलब जो है कि बच्चे के कारण अपने घर को खुद को भी ठीक कर लेना चाहिए,
हम्म.
राइट। अपने जो सॉर्ट ऑफ हमारी जो चॉइसेस हैं वो बच्चे पे थोपनी नहीं चाहिए।
हम्म
बच्चे पे हम अपनी चॉइसेस थोपते, दैट इज नॉट गुड पेरेंटिंग।
हम्म
बच्चा इंडिविजुअल है, उसकी खुद चॉइस है। 2 साल 2.5 साल का होने दीजिए बच्चे को। स्कूल जब वो कहीं मॉल में जाएगा, बच्चे अपनी चॉइस के रंग के
हम्म
कपड़े मांगेगा, खुद की
करेक्ट
चॉइस के। वो
या
बोलेगा, उसको पूछना चाहिए तुमको पिंक चाहिए, येलो चाहिए, ब्लू चाहिए, कौन सा चाहिए। तो
हम्म
बच्चा उंगली रखेगा कि मेरे को ये ड्रेस चाहिए।
ये चाहिए या
रिस्पेक्ट, उसकी चॉइस को रिस्पेक्ट कीजिए ना।
हम्म
दैट इज पेरेंटिंग ना। तुमको यही ड्रेस लेनी पड़ेगी, तुमको यही खिलौना लेना पड़ेगा, व्हाट इज दिस।
करेक्ट 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 थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर आई थिंक आपने इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दी है इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन दी है इतनी यूजफुल दी है कि आई थिंक कोई भी इसको सुने तो मुझे तो लगता है कि उनको बहुत फायदा होगा और मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूंगी कि थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर उमेश फॉर शेयरिंग so much valuable insights with us today and just to summarize आपने बताया कि breastfeeding is incredibly beneficial both mother के लिए and child के लिए and it offers numerous health emotional and psychological benefits also और ये एक सपोर्ट भी है जो एसेंशियल है और हमें इस ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग को प्रमोट भी करना चाहिए सो दैट वी इंश्योर एक हेल्थियर फ्यूचर जनरेशन भी हो सो वी रियली अप्रिशिएट योर टाइम एंड एक्सपर्टीज डॉक्टर खुराना और अगर अंत में आपको कुछ शब्द या कुछ एडवाइस देनी है तो प्लीज गो अहेड
मेरे को बस ये कहना है
हाँ जी
कि ये हमारी जो वार्तालाप है,
हाँ जी
डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सुपर किड्स,
यस
ये कहानी चलते रहनी।
जरूर
एक बार सफिशिएंट नहीं रहता किसी
हम्म
भी चीज को, ठीक है ना, राइट।
या
रिलेटेड टू चाइल्ड हेल्थ, रिलेटेड टू चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशन एंड एवरीथिंग, ठीक है ना। आप जो आपका ऑडियंस है वो अपना फीडबैक दे,
जी
अपना मेनू कार्ड बनाए, तो
हम्म
हम जो है फिर से
फिर से या
आपके साथ में एक कड़ी बनाएंगे, फिर से हम आपसे मिलेंगे, फिर से आपसे चर्चा करेंगे, और चर्चा करते करते वी लाइक टू बिकम गुड फ्रेंड्स फॉर
या
ईच अदर। दिस इज व्हाट आई।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So thank you to our audience as well for tuning in and for your great questions आपने पूछे. And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it, subscribe to our podcast, and for having more insightful discussions, please stay tuned. And until then, take care and stay healthy. And don't forget to share this episode with all your woman friends. बोलो जो भी फ्रेंड्स हैं आई थिंक डजेंट मैटर वुमन और मेल आई वुड से कि शेयर विद एवरीवन नेवर नो कहाँ पे ये मैसेज पहुंच जाएगा राइट पर्सन के पास सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड नमस्कार थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन
And once again, I will like to sort of mention that the universe had planned this program on Independence Day.
हाँ जी
So our independence, the meaning is freedom. So we should get. I always say in the morning also when I was posting the national flag.
हम्म
I told that our aim should be to get freedom from various preventable illnesses.
यस
We should be free from diseases. We should be healthy. That is Independence Day. That is also a meaning of Independence Day.
independence beautiful thank you so much for sharing yeah it's a beautiful message